Can you demonstrate to us how would you kiss someone?
Tanaw sa mata, tanaw sa lips niya. Kanon ding lips.
Savor the moment and start doing the tongue thingy.
Bite, joke. Hindi. Okay.
Di ba, ana.
Chiching.
Ayun, nag-kiss kami!
Can you walk us through your first kiss experience?
Akong first kiss kay elementary ko. Basically, first girlfriend po na akong first kiss. Puppy love. Hagwa na yun ni sa Leo sa chairs niya. Ako siyang gi-smack.
Nainanguyab na ko. Nya, gihatod ko sa balay. Nya, pagkahuman kay ni-meet siya sa akong family. And then human kay nigawas me. Ngadto ko sa sampayan. Ngadto sa sampayan. Ayun! Ayun, nag-kiss kami!
Grade 5 ko ato. And then, Boy Scout pa jud ko ato nga time. So, ang gibuhat is, ako siyang gibira sa kilid. And then, ako siyang gingnan nga. Para madili na ko dakpon ang imong kauban, kissing. So, mo tinitabo. So, tubangan sa mga friends. Then, ang first kiss jud. Mwah!
I don't remember the moment.
I remember, I think, sa CIC to, in drums, high school.
We were in the room and then, out of curiosity lang siguro, we just tried. Then nagtinanawa rito. Nagtinato kayo kami, then boom, smack.
Uli mi sa apartment. And then, nangutan na siya if how does it feel to kiss. So basically, virgin po just kissing. So we tried. Very dull. It's very dull. Kaya pusasan ng girl, pagitaan og laki, pusasan. Muna akong first kiss experience.
Delicioso.
Do you think magical in your first kiss?
No, not really, because I can't remember it.
No.
I expected it to be magical, but no. As mentioned, it was so dull, very plain, no spark at all.
Kwan siya, kahinda siya. Masyag tunga.
Looking at it now, magical siya. Okay, pure siya and kana innocent.
Sorry kayo.
If Nakay was born sa imong first experience, what would it be?
Pila ko if nakoy usbon ka na at least presentable ko ato or humot. Pero okay ba? Basta hindi humot ready ko ato din.
Kung karon, yes, usbon ako. Ang buhaton ako is diretso na lang taas. Sa akong kwarto na lang.
Wala man siguro. Okay, kung sabi iusab ni mo ana, part of growing up.
Now I'm married, so para nako, it doesn't matter manggod the first ones. What matter is the last ones.
Dili ko ganahan mo regret ko, pero kung na ako i-change ato, dili sa sampayan ko. Ganahan gyapon ko dark basig tsaka kay ko tan-on. Pero dili sa sampayan, tsaka jud kayo ang idea nga nasa sampayan.
I think there is a reason why everything happens. So I don't think I would change anything.
Sorry to tell, pero kuan kanang the person. Sorry.
I would suggest to have a dinner date first. Get to know the person you're about to kiss. And yes, but make sure dili baho ang gikaon.
Will you do it again with the same person?
Is it necessary to?
I think okay ra to. Okay, ako man to siyang crush.
No. I'd rather do it with someone who already has an experience to walk me through the experience. I don't even know who she was. So, yeah, I don't know.
No, I don't think so. Ay, ganahan ko nga, nindot ba yun ng fairy tale nga kanang story nga, yung first kiss, yung husband. Nindot ang tanang inana ba? Sadly, that's not my story, pero mo ko nag-regret ato. Kaya nakatry na rin ko kiss. Yan, kabalo na ko mo kiss.
Now that I found my husband, it's just like parang magtanaw ko sa before, it was parang, hello, uy, igat-igat raman siya, uy, or something like that. So like, parang ako, I don't really regret it, but if I can change it, I would wait for my husband, I guess.
Kung inani akong una karon, nya kato nga panahon, yeah, maybe siguro akong usbon, sulito na ko eh. Sulito na kumaing tulip. Chupapi mo niyan nyo akong pabuhat, Jod. Chupapi mo niyan nyo.
Do you consider yourself a good kisser?
Kana medyo lisod-lisod na nga question, no? Lisod-lisod siya nga question.
Okay ra.
I don't know.
I don't know. Maybe. Yes, I guess.
Try lang. You wanna try? Ikaw, you wanna try?
Wa naman siguro ko practice, but I guess
Of course! Ah, charot!